Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome back. If you've been here before, and just welcome if you're new, I'm glad you're here. I have some interesting things to show you here. I have some pretty things to show you here, so let's get into it. All right, let's start with this interesting item on the top. You may have seen this. It's been popping up on my Facebook and all kinds of different places. So this is an interesting little item. It weighs about 2 ounces. So it's foam. Let's check it out and we'll talk about what this is if you don't know. All right, let me see. It's got to be one of those sticky, there we go, little sticky opening. All right, so what this is an adhesive, right, okay. Could have taken this out ahead of time, maybe. Okay, there we go. So it's an adhesive tape is what it is, really. So on the back, you'll peel this tape and it's sticky. So it's made on the front to look like a frame. It's got a little decorative design in the middle. It's just foam. It literally is foam. Now, I wouldn't do a really fancy painting with this. This is made to cut, so you'll unroll it. Here, let's just show you a painting real quick. This is one you haven't seen yet, but anyway, we'll show you how it works. So you would, cut it like this. You'd miter your little corner here and frame out your painting like this, right? Then cut your corner, come down this side, and just trim it all out with this. It makes a little frame. Now, like I said, I wouldn't put it on a fancy painting or anything like that, but on some of these little budget-friendly kits, I think it would be kind of cute, You still have to find a way to tack it to your wall. This is just going to put a little edging around it. Just pull off that tape and put it on there. But it came in many colors. I chose this like cream color. There's black, brown, I think there was a pink, a blue, all kinds of different colors. I just thought, it's something different. I'd show you. It's quite a long length. See, there's quite a bit of it. So you could do a fairly large painting. I think, maybe a 40 by 50, probably not any bigger than that, but I just thought I'd show you that. It's an interesting little idea. All right. So let's put that back in the bag and then we'll move on to this painting, which I pulled out to show you. I really like this. This is cute. Do what you love. I like that. It's going to be all rhinestones and stuff. But I love the background. I really like when they do a printed background versus a white background. White backgrounds are just kind of boring, right? I don't like them. Make sure I have the right drills here. No, it's this pack. B052 or B052 or something. Let's see. Let's see what our drills are. There are 15 different colors, shapes, sizes, all that fun stuff. All right, let's look at it. What was that? I think I have my woodpecker friend back. Every once in a while, we have a woodpecker that he decides he's going to... Yep, that's a woodpecker. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's like on something on my house right now. Seriously? All right. Okay, here's our colors. We have a pretty... Okay, we can't see him. Can't see him. Come on, help me out here. Camera, help me out. All right, I have a pretty red, magenta, that's pink. All right, this is a blue, pretty blue, a light pink, a gold, purple, another blue, there's our red, a green, another pink, a light green. Oh, and look at those. We have some black AB. Those are pretty. They look really blue and green, don't they? Very bluish green. Those are pretty though. We have some gold marquee. What's in here? What do we have in here? Oh, some large, clear, faceted. Some smooth, round red ones. And some little gold faceted. It's really pretty though. I like it. Do what you love. That would be quick and easy to do. It would be fun. Cool. I like it. Where do the ABs go? They're the double dot things. Oh, so they do a lot of the outlining, which is perfect. It outlines all the letters and such. That'll be nice. I like it. All right. On to the next one. On to the next one. Okay. You guys go over there. Here's the one I grabbed the wrong packet of drills for. See, it's just a little pack. All right. This is just a cute little thing. I thought it would be really pretty. It's got quite a bit of special drills. Look at all the Y's around here. We got some H's. We got U's here. So it's got a good amount of special drills. There's only 9 different shapes and rhinestones and such, but I just thought it was pretty. It's got a nice printed background, and it'll offset all the pretty, sparkly, dazzly stuff in the middle, right? So what do we have for our sparkly, dazzly stuff? Let's see. All right, here we go. We have, all right, this is gonna be fun. Purple, 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 a pink, another purple, a blue, a little bit of orange, and that's it for the rhinestones. Now we have purple faceted. We have clear AB marquee. We have these gold, silver. The gold is on the top. The clear crystal-y color is on the bottom. Not silver, but crystal. And then we have these pretty guys right here. Look at those. They're purpley blue. That's going to be all of these Y's all the way around on the petals. That would be really pretty. I like it. I like it. Nope, I'm wrong. That's going to be the clear ones because there's more of those. The pretty blue ones are the H's around the outside. Anyhow, pretty, 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 pretty. And, you know, they just don't stop. They just keep coming. They just keep coming. There are so many gnome paintings out there. I don't even know how many I have anymore. And I've only completed a few, but oh, they just keep coming out with them, and they're all so cute. I just have to. I love this one. Look at, it's a plaid truck. I mean, seriously, a plaid truck. And look at, it's bees everywhere. The honey, this is honey dripping. Here's our little gnome guy back here. He's got a truck full of sunflowers. So the bees are, you know, and there's a bee house right there. Yeah, I love it. And then it just says, be happy. Don't worry, you know, be happy. It's cute, isn't it? I mean, this background, please do not think that this background is all multi-placed. It is not. Look, we have L and J and I. Yeah, these always have a lot of confetti, I find. It's cute. 21 colors. Legend on both sides. Symbols, DMC codes. It's all there. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is one of the best things right here. The pre-packaged drills. And there they are. All 21 colors. I believe they're all in order. 21, 20. Yeah, they're in order. So, I mean, we got a selection of like peach to cream to tan, yellows, browns, yellowy, orangey, green, a little bit of black, bright yellow. There's our colors. I mean, really? Come on. How cute, right? What summery vibe do we get from that? Isn't that just summer, summer, summer? It's summer. It is summer. I mean, it's not summer, you know, technically it's not summer, but it, you know, it's getting there. Oh, whoa, hello. So we got that guy. He's cute. I love him. And then a couple special drill projects. So little fun little canvases. I mean, tell me what you like. What's your favorite? What do you think? Okay. All right. That's it for this one. Just a quick little unboxing. Did I tell you who it was from? I probably didn't even tell you. It is New Craft Day. I think I just jumped right into it and forgot to tell you who it was. New Craft Day. I'll link them below. All right. So there you have it. Thanks for hanging out for a few minutes. I got to do some more. All right. I got to take advantage of my little bit of time I have here this morning. Get some stuff done. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Go check out New Craft Day. Okay? All right. See you soon. Bye.